What's up, everybody? It's your boy MjM, and today we are back for another video on an unboxing for our ThreadBeast box. I know it's been a little, like 2, almost 3 weeks without me uploading any Resident Evil episodes, and I made a post that I was going to make a upload on Monday, but your boy tried to record the episode. I was too tired. It's going to become to the point where it's, if I want to do it, I'll do it. So if any of you guys stumble on my videos or any of my series, just know that I'm taking it at a snail pace right now. There will be spurts where I just jump out like a rabbit and pump out a lot. But right now, we're taking a step back, letting people enjoy the content that I have on my page right now. We're going to obviously post this weekend. But with all that said, hope you guys are doing good. Hope you're having a great day. Doing the things that you need to do so that way you can become the person that you want to be. With all that said, we have a ThreadBeast box to open. I need to slide a little bit more. Nice. I'm real white. Nice. Hold up. Just a little context. You see that right there? That's for the B-roll, for like the clothing and whatnot. So don't worry about that. Like I said, through the episodes, we're going to try new things, do new things, see what works, see what doesn't, and then we'll implement them, or we won't. So, with all that said, let's jump into the box. And I will have the mic from the phone also, just in case the audio doesn't pick up too well for the mic. So, we'll see how it goes, we'll see how it is, but I have a feeling this one's going to be a little bit cleaner of a setup. We don't really know what is in the box at all, so that's a bonus. Last time I accidentally went onto the website through my phone and it was like, look at your box, and I did that, and I'm kind of upset that I did. So now it's completely new. We don't know, baby. We don't know. But we are. Oh my god. This is how we're starting it. So we got some nice Volcom socks. Just a pair of socks. Something fancy, something different. I like my socks, so I appreciate that. Then, up next, we have ourselves a nice beanie. And like I said, I'm going to show it on this camera so that way you guys have like a little screen of what it looks like. And then sometimes, I should probably do this just so you can see it on the big screen. On your big telly. Next. Man. Benny Gold handmade quality. Look at that shit. Don't tell me they don't look nice. So we got a pair of jeans, which they are Benny Gold BG Classic Jeans Dark Blue Wash. So if you ever want to pick up yourself some of these, there you go. Merry Christmas. Merry Chrysler. Just a pair of jeans. Nothing crazy. We'll take it though. We like jeans. It's like they know me. It's like they look at my videos. And there's a lot of shirts in here. I'm not even cap. And some shoes. Oh, and they're Air Jordans. Oh, baby. I'm about to bust. We have these sweats that say Your Highness. I kind of like these. That's kind of funny. Normal black plain ones.
I believe it's warning, but there is a dangerous hacker on your attack at the moment. Going around name 837947339 who is bringing players headsets.
Oh shoot, I didn't show you guys. Hold up. Sorry about that. It says Your Highness right there. Kind of hard to tell on this camera, but it says it. You probably saw it on the other one and not that one. It is very weird trying to like We'll leave the shoes for last, just so that way we can get the hype for the box at the end. Ooh, we got a nice primitive t-shirt. And I'm very sorry if some of these angles that I give you for the shirts and socks, whatever the fuck I get, isn't the best. Like I said, it's a new angle. We're gonna try if we like it. And as you can see, it's literally stacked on a book, then 2 books to hold my phone up. So if you ain't dedicated like that, get the fuck out of here. Don't even do this shit. Don't even fucking do it. But yeah, nice primitive t-shirt. I'm gonna be wearing the shit out of this. Nice, nice, nice. Long sleeve too. It's not a t-shirt. Cool. So we got a beanie, socks, jeans, sweats, and then a shirt. Long sleeve shirt. Can't blame the youth. Seattle, Washington. Why do I fuck with this? Just a casual t-shirt that has some wording on it, and that's about it. Kinda like it though. Can't blame the youth. Seattle, Washington. That's dope. Might wear it once or twice and forget about it. Well, that's the nice thing about these boxes is you can get some nice things, and if you feel like you wouldn't wear them, you can just give it to other people or sell them. So don't ever think that I don't have a plan for these boxes. I do. I do. So, man, they packed this shit with shirts. The next one is a grizzly shirt. A lot of skating shirts. I'm noticing. I fuck with it. I fuck with it. I'm glad there's not any more of that Playboy shit. That shit's getting a little old. I have like, what, 3 Playboy shirts now? Just crazy to think about. Because I don't even think they have it as like a listing on their site. Peace and quiet. That's nice. Peace and quiet. And it has it on the front right there as well. Just a t-shirt. Oops, sorry guys. And I really hope that this mic for the iPhone's working, because I have it attached to my beanie. So a lot of this is just going to be trial and error. We'll see if it works, what doesn't. If you can see me doing this, what's up? What up, y'all? Oh, baby. Ooh. I don't even know how to describe this material besides just like, what is it? What type of material is this? Fleece factory. Okay, here we go. It smells good. It smells like it came out of a fucking factory. I don't know what it's made out of, but the material on it just looks cool. And it feels really good too. So I know I'm gonna fucking love this sweatshirt. Hell yeah. Shit, I might wear it to work. If it's cold. Kind of been off and on with the cold, to be honest. Alright, we're not gonna fold that one up. We're just gonna put it there. Alright, let's remove the shoes. We'll just put them to the side for a second. And then lastly, we have ourselves a nice dress-up jacket, which is always lovely. So let me get this box out of the way real quick. Pow! Alright, out of the way. And with this, ooh, it comes with an extra button. Nice. Distortion. Quality made in quarters. The great brand, or the authentic original brand. Alright. 1983. Looks like a Colorado? Oh, designed in LA. Okay. I don't know why they have mountains on the background, but just a nice dressy like jacket to throw like on top of something. I'll probably end up wearing this some point down the line. So I kind of fuck with this material. It's like a, what's the best way to describe it? Wavy material? I don't know. I don't really know my material like that. My fabrics, should I say. But yeah, there's the clothes. I would have to rate the clothes, the shirts, I would give like a solid 6 out of 10, just because they're kind of plain, but I kind of like it. So it's right in the middle for me. Beanie, tan beanie that says staple. Give it a 7 out of 10. Nothing crazy. Nice, thick. Not too thick, but just right. These socks, give them an 8 out of 10. Cool design, favorite color. You know what? Let's make it an 8.5. Jeans, can't go wrong with jeans. Give that an 8. The jacket, we'll give the jacket like a 7.5. Sweatshirt, I'm gonna give that a 9. Now the shoes. Snap it up, everybody. Snap it up for your shoes. Because we got, what do we got? We got the Air Jordan 1s mid-season, or SE. White/cool, gray, medium gray. Yeah. You know, I'm not expecting these shoes to always be amazing, but, you know, I'm not mad. These are really nice. Wow. But you had to put the laces in, so I don't know how I feel about that. That's crazy. Should I just keep it like that? Alright, so all the shoe heads, give me a recommendation of how I should tie these laces. I know I could do it by myself. It's just, give me some cool ways to do it. Throw me some tips, some videos, some ideas, because I want to do something different with these laces than just, you know, crossing them over. But this is the box that we got today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, you know what you need to do. You need to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button down below. Just look. Did you look? It's down there. Hit that button, hit the ding dong bell right beside it, and have yourself a lovely day, you motherfucker. But yeah, for real, I hope you guys have a lovely day, lovely evening, lovely night, whatever it may be for yourself. If it's your birthday, I hope you're having a great birthday, spending it with the people that you want to spend it with, and making the memories that you want to remember. Aside from that, I love you guys, and I'm leaving you guys here. I'll see you guys in the next video, being a Resident Evil video. I promise. It's gonna be a Resident Evil video. But till then, I'll see you guys and I'll leave you. Adios and bye-bye.